Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on Suno app. You will go to settings here. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Suno app and you will click in this page. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode. You can fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.